There have been many questions about, once I have my Avervision document camera, how do I record videos? We're going to go over a few of those tips here. First, remember your camera is just an extension of the webcam you already have in your computer. So if I'm in a Google Meet, for example, I'm using my Avervision right now. So I can record in here. I could hit these three dots in the bottom right, go to my settings, and easily switch over to one of my other cameras or the Avervision while I'm in a Google Meet. Additionally, if I'm using a Screencastify, I could come up here, click on Screencastify, and tell it to use my Avervision. I can't right now because that's what I'm recording with. If you're on a Chromebook, you could still use Google Meet and record videos in Screencastify, Loom, or Google Meet. Or you could, in a Chromebook, here's my Chromebook here, I can click the circle in the bottom left, click the little up arrow, and open the camera here, and then record with the camera app on my Chromebook. Once you've done that, you have to think about, what am I going to do with the video that I have now recorded? If you use Google Meet to record a video, it is automatically going to put the file that you created in your Google Drive under a folder called Meet Recordings, which I will show you over here on the left-hand side. These are all of my various Meet recordings that I have done. So to explain again, if you do recording meetings in Google Meet, which is behind the three dots here, and record meeting, it will automatically drop a file of the recording in your Google Drive that you could then go to Google Classroom and go in here and add it as an item, one of your assignments, via this Google Drive button, because a Google Meet as a Google Drive item is still just a regular Google Drive thing. So I could come in here and there's my video. I could add that Google Meet recording to a Google Drive assignment. Also, if I use Screencastify to record things, it will send me a Google Drive link that I can then embed in an email, or I could share it to the students in Google Classroom. So that tool, Screencastify or Meet or Loom, will let you leverage the Avervision to therefore record everything that you need and put it into a form you can use. So remember, the camera doesn't need something specific for you to be able to use it. All you need to do is use a platform to record with the Avervision. Now, there is a Sphere Light app that exists on your Chromebooks. It is under here in Sphere Light. I've also pinned it to the taskbar for many of you. When you open this, you'll have different tools that you can use with the camera. I don't have the camera plugged into this Chromebook, but you'll have these tools. You're welcome to use this. You can record in here and it will record the video to your Chromebook that you could then upload somewhere else. Additionally, on top of this, let me get this out of the way. You can also, every teacher in the school district has a YouTube account that you're welcome to house videos there as another option. This video was to go over all the options. If I go to YouTube, when I am signed in as my school account, I can click the top right corner and I have your channel. Here's my channel of videos. Notice I have this plus with a little camera here. I could upload a video from here. So I could record the video with my camera on my Windows machine, which look in the start menu for camera, or my Chromebook with camera, and click upload video and just go get it and get the video. It will take me over to the studio. I could select a file and find a video, for example, and now it's going to automatically upload that video. So that's another one of your menu options that you could upload stuff. Let me edit this and take this one out. Okay. So these are just a couple of the ways that you can take your camera and use it as a tool to upload information into your into your various platforms. The camera is just the tool at which you can record with. And remember, you can change on the fly. So I could come down here and go to settings and change my camera to be one of the other ones while I'm discussing things in my classroom and sharing with my students. And just to wrap up, the text is backwards. Everyone now has this VM extension in the top right. It might be behind a puzzle, but if I click this, now my text looks correct.